You won't regret it.
Read it.
Read what? That's not right.
You scroll.
No, scroll down.
Scroll it.
Let's go down. I don't want to.
Just read it. Just read it.
Just do it. It's funny, really. Wait, I read it, right?
Yeah, you read it.
Oh, gosh.
Okay, it's not just pictures.
Just read it like a makeup.
Yeah.
Stories based on true eyewitness accounts. It was around 11:20 that night. I was dragging myself home exhausted after a tiring night.
Just read it in your head.
At school. There was no.
Faster.
Take your time. Let me take your time. She'll get there. Eventually.
Don't tell her how many there is.
No, please don't say.
No, okay, sorry.
How many funny parts there are?
Yeah, the really funny part is coming up.
You'll know when it gets there.
Okay, just go down. You're almost done.
It's not scary, dude. Trust me. It looks scary, but then once you get there, it'll be like. I don't want to see it. I'm really getting.
Just do it. Just do it.
I don't want. See, that's really freaking me out. Dude, it's not. It has a twist ending. Trust me. It's not what you think it is.